Hey guys, if you're wondering if you can use Threads without creating an Instagram account, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. So, in this video, I'll explain what's possible, what still requires Instagram, and the latest changes you need to know. So, can you use Threads without Instagram? Yes, but it depends on what you mean by use. So, as of now, you can browse Threads on the web without an Instagram account. You can view many public profiles and posts without logging in on your mobile. So, to create a Threads account and post, reply, like, or follow people, you generally still need an Instagram account. So, Threads uses your Instagram identity for sign up in most regions. Meta has tested standalone thread sign-ups using an email address or phone number instead of Instagram for some users, particularly in parts of the Europe, but this is not yet the standard experience worldwide. So if your goal is just read threads, so yes, you often can without Instagram, or if your goal is to actively participate, like post, comment, follow, etc., you'll typically need an Instagram account for now. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.